Cools down my bedroom nicely, even cools down our nursery which is across from my bedroom. This thing chills hard and was easy to install. It installs easily, cools well and it's very quiet. Goodbye. We used this after the hurricane wiped out our HVAC. Worked great at keeping us cool in eastern North Carolina. Perfect, just as advertised. Works great, could be more quiet, very energy efficient. It cools a large area well with the energy-saving feature. It is a bit noisy but not bad. It installed very easily. We have been using it every night this summer and it has been a lifesaver. It's not too loud and cools the room down great. I ordered this window air conditioner for an upstairs bedroom and I couldn't be more pleased. It's quiet, efficient and small in size so no problems with getting it into a window. I do recommend it. Click link in description for more reviews.